Good morning, students. Today I am going to take Unit 5 Alicyclic Compounds. So, what is alicyclic compounds? It is aliphatic cyclic compounds because it contains carbon atoms only. Okay. So, the alicyclic compounds are aliphatic cyclic compounds which contain closed rings of carbon atom only. So, these alicyclic compounds may be saturated or unsaturated, and also it is a monocyclic or bicyclic. So next nomenclature. So according to IUPAC system, it is named by you add cyclo in the prefix of parent hydrocarbon, or it is named by prefixing cyclo to the corresponding open chain compounds. So this is a 4-member ring. Suppose it is open means it is equal to 4 carbon atom. So 4 carbon atom means it is a butane. So you add cyclo in the prefix, so it is a cyclobutane. Like that, this is a 6-member ring, so it is a cyclohexane. This is a 5-member ring, so one double bond is there, so it is pentene. So you add cyclo in the prefix, so you get cyclopentene. So without this methyl group, it is cyclohexane. In the third position, one methyl group is substituted, so it is a 3-methyl cyclohexonine. So next example is, this is cyclohexene. So the double bond starts from 1 and 4th position, so it is named as cyclohex 1,4 diene. This is for the monocyclic system. Suppose in the case of bicyclic means you add bicyclo in the prefix to the corresponding aliphatic compound. And also the number of carbon atom in each of the 3 bridges. So what is the 3 bridges? 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3. These are the bridges. Okay. So these 3 bridges connecting to the tertiary carbon atoms is indicated in brackets in descending order. So the bridged carbon atoms நம்ம square bracket ல mention பண்ணுவோம் in the descending order. So for example, this is a 6-member ring, so it is a heptane. Then you add bicyclo in the prefix because it is a 2 rings present in that, and next you put number of bridged carbon atom. So here 2 carbon is there, so you put 2. Here 2 carbon atom is there, then you put 2. In center 1 carbon atom is there, so you put 1. So bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. So like that. This is also 6-member ring system. Sorry, 6 carbon system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a hexane. So 2 rings are there, so it is a bicyclo. What is the bridged carbon atom? Here 3 carbon atom. So 3. Here 1 carbon atom. So 1. In center there is no carbon atom, so you put 0. So bicyclo 3, 1, 0 hexane. Okay. So next, method of preparation of cyclohexane and their derivative. So first one is from aromatic hydrocarbon. So here I take benzene. Okay, so benzene, in the presence of nickel hydrogen, this is a reduction reaction. So all the double bond is reduced to form cyclohexane. So next reaction is naphthalene. So naphthalene takes 5 moles of hydrogen in the presence of nickel. So here P means pressure. Okay. So to form decalene. So all the 5 double bonds are reduced to form decalene. So this is the one alicyclic compound. This is also example of alicyclic compound. So next, the cyclohexane is prepared from phenol So phenol is reduced to cyclohexanol and it is treated with alumina. So here 1 mole of water is eliminated. So this bond is shifted here. So one double bond is formed here. So you get cyclohexene. This is undergoes reduction. So this double bond is reduced to get cyclohexane. So next, from alpha omega dihalides, Freund reactions. So alpha omega dihalide means, so the halide ion present at the terminal carbon. So this is the one terminal, this is on the another terminal. So terminal halide present ஆயிருந்தாலே, suppose எந்த ஒரு group present ஆயிருந்தாலும், it is named as alpha omega. Okay. So here you take alpha omega dihalide. So here 1,3 dibromo propane is taken. It reacts with 2 moles of sodium in the presence of copper as the catalyst. So 2 moles of sodium bromide is removed. So here the ring is closed. So this 1,3 dibromate propane converts to cyclopropane. Like that. 1,4 dibromobutane, it reacts with zinc in the presence of ethanol. Here also zinc bromide is removed. Here the ring is closed. You get cyclobutane. So next, from calcium or barium salt of dicarboxylic acid, that is Mislik-Onnes reaction. Here take calcium adipate. You heated calcium adipate, the calcium carbonate is removed. Here the carbon-carbon bond is formed. You get cyclopentanone. CH2, 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 CO. So cyclopentanone. So this is removed as calcium carbonate. So next, this cyclopentanone undergoes Clemmensen reduction by using zinc amalgam in the presence of HCl. This CO group is converts to CH2. In Clemmensen reduction, CO converts to CH2. You get cyclopentane. So next, from alpha omega diester Dickmann reaction. So here also you take the calcium adipate in the presence of sodium ethoxide. This is the intramolecular condensation. So within the molecule, ethanol is removed. So here OET, this hydrogen atom combines together. It is removed as ethanol. So the here carbon-carbon bond is formed. So you get CH2, CO, CH2, 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 COOET. This is, you put the number 1, 2 in the second position. Carboethoxy group is present. So you named 2-carboethoxy cyclopentanone, which undergoes hydrolysis. This ester is converts to acid. Then it is heated. 1 mole of CO2 is removed. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கும், ஹைட்ரஜன் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த ஹைட்ரஜன் இங்கே ஆட் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா this CH changes to CH2. So CH2, 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 CO, cyclopentanone. Then it is undergoes Clemmensen reduction. The CO converts to CH2. You get cyclopentane. So next, by Diels-Alder reaction. So 1,3 butadiene and ethylene combines together. This is a 4+2 addition reaction. Just bond shift. Okay. This is cyclo-addition reaction. So this carbon-carbon make a bond. This bond is shifted here. So here double bond is formed. This bond is used for making this carbon-carbon bond. So you get cyclohexene, which undergoes reduction to form cyclohexane. So by malonic ester synthesis, Perkin reaction. So this is a ethylene dibromide. It reacts with the sodium malonic ester. Here sodium bromide is removed. So what is the product? CH2CH, COOC2H5 twice, CH2Br. So next, in the presence of base, it abstracts the hydrogen from the CH group. So this C2H5 Oh, this alkoxide takes this hydrogen, it is removed as ethanol. So this sodium is substituted here. So CH2CNA, COOC2H5 twice, CH2Br. So next step is cyclization. So this sodium and bromine is removed. So here carbon-carbon bond is formed. So CH2CH2C, COOC2H5 twice, which undergoes hydrolysis. Both the ester groups are converted to acid and followed by heating. 1 mole of CO2 is removed. So what is the product? CH, COOH. CH2CH2CH, COOH. You get cyclopropane carboxylic acid. So next by acetoacetic ester synthesis, Perkin reaction. So 1,5 dibromopentane reacts with acetoacetic ester. So in the presence of sodium ethoxide base, what is the role of base? It removes hydrogen. So the removed hydrogen is combined with this bromine atom. So it is removed as HBr. So what will get? CH2, 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 C, COCH3, COOC2H5. So what is the name of this compound? So without this substitution, this is a 6 numbering. So it is a cyclohexane. In the first position, acetyl group is there. This is carboxylic ester. So what is its name? 1-acetyl cyclohexane carboxylic ester, which undergoes hydrolysis followed by heating. This is converts to acid and followed by heating. This CO2 is removed. So this group changes to CH-COCH3. Okay, CH-COCH3, which undergoes Clemmensen reduction. This CO is converts to CH2. So you get ethyl cyclohexane. These are the general method of preparation of alicyclic compounds. Thank you.